Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA 14 on mobile. The original FIFA 14 mobile game, released over 10 years ago, is no longer officially supported by Electronic Arts. This means you won't find it on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. To experience this beloved football game, you'll need to explore unofficial, community-made modifications, which are the only current method available. The primary method involves downloading modified game files, typically an APK, OB, and data file for Android, from various third-party websites. These fan-made versions often feature updated player transfers, kits, and even modern user interfaces, mimicking newer football games. It is crucial to select a trusted source for these downloads to help mitigate potential security risks to your mobile device. Installing these unofficial versions requires a few specific steps. First, you must enable the Install from Unknown Sources option in your phone's security settings. Next, you will need a file manager application, such as Z-Archiver, to extract the downloaded OBB and data files. These extracted files then need to be manually moved into designated Android folders on your device for the game to function correctly. While many modded versions are optimized, the original game's engine, being over 10 years old, might still present compatibility challenges on newer mobile operating systems. More importantly, downloading from unofficial sources always carries inherent risks, including exposure to malware or potential data breaches. For a secure and reliable football gaming experience, we recommend exploring the many excellent, officially supported football games available today.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.